name is Mary Finn. I work for Roscommon County Council Arts Office. We're here today to celebrate Cruinniú, which is a fun-filled day of activities for children all over the county of Roscommon.
My name's Andy Parsons. I'm an artist working here at Roscommon Arts Centre, and we've been exploring sculpture, trying to make sculpture out of materials that you might find at home, things like paper, cardboard, tape, and exploring the joy and the challenge of making sculptures.
My name is Cruinniú. I'm here as part of Cruinniú in Roscommon Arts Centre. My son Odrin Gilligan, he's here behind me, he's 10 and he's taking part in a sculpture workshop this morning and he's having a great time.
I'm making a person jumping over a hurdle and it's very fun.
Hi, I'm Anya. I work in the Arts Office here in Roscommon County Council, and today we are having Wonder Walls at Roscommon County Council for a fantastic workshop experience for 4 whole hours. Where people will get to come along, try it out, see if they're good at it. If they're not, it doesn't matter, but it's a new experience for everyone, and that's what Cruinniú is all about. So if we can make sure that everyone has a chance and an opportunity to engage in creative activity on Cruinniú, then we're doing our job right. It's for everyone from 0 to 18. Just keep on rocking up and being creative at what you can find.
Welcome to the Wall Gardens of Strokestown Park. I'm Sabrina Brady. I'm the events coordinator here at the National Family Museum, Strokestown Park, and we are absolutely thrilled to be hosting Funfest as part of Cruinniú. We've loads of activities for all ages to enjoy and to bring out the creativity and fun for families, all to enjoy together. We've puppet shows, we've loads of activities for the smaller kids. We've partnered with Lorna Gale this year for some Irish language events. We've puppet shows, we've circus theatre, we've science on stilts. There's loads happening and we're really so proud to be partnered with Roscommon Arts Office and Cruinniú.
How are you doing? Yeah, we're having a great day here. I'm a parent brought the two kids with us, and they're having a great time. There's something for everyone here, boys and girls, and just yeah, we were here last year as well, and great time. So thanks to everyone and organiser.
Dígrit Tama Anam Ella, Tá mé an siúla ma mommy agus ma daddy, Tá sé Anna Jazz.
Is me Sinead ní Varnog agus is efagach forbrahame le Cruinniú agus go héirithe le Teangatíí and Rannog Charlie. Tá mé anseo again Féile Spree and Pobal Gaeilge. So I'm Sinead Warnock and I'm here with Féile Spree and I'm representing Teangatíí, which is the family department of Cruinniú. So we are really delighted to be here today, and we've met so many families who would love to speak more Irish, so many families speaking Irish, so it's been great for us, and I just want to say a big thanks to everybody who's funded this brilliant event.
Slán agus Banach sa cóirde.
Oh, go bra. Na cuid se go bra? É tuairde mas beachlainn. Dar maithe go.